So here we are at Paradisus del Cabo. Let's take a look. Beautiful room. So I give you a full overview really quick, and then we'll get into it. So we've got a little space over here. Hang your things. It's actually pretty nice. A little cozy, but pretty nice. A few bag that comes with the room. Also have a nice little safe here. Take a moment. All right, here's a little mirror, of course, for the room. Got the bathroom. Nice, cozy. Look at here. We've got the shower space right in here. Let me just step in. Dual shower. That's really nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. We've got sink space. And what else do we have here? Bathroom. It's bathroom space here as well. So pretty nice. You can get like 2 people in here comfortably, like especially with the shower head, everything there. It's pretty nice. Good size here. It's not a matchbox by any means. And if you need some privacy, just close the door there, right? So it's close, open, close. What else we got? So we've got the room, nice little mirror, coffee station. All of your incidentals are here, and they're all complimentary, which is nice. So we've got also, folks, mini fridge, and then we've got a little candy station here as well. They can bring pretty much whatever you need is what they said. So hey, works. All right, so that space, a nice cozy bed right here, right by the little chair space there. So nice and cozy. And then we've got the couch, little entertainment by way of TV. Oh, and here we go. Nice tub. Very nice size tub. Now that works. And I'm gonna come out for y'all just a little bit, show you what we're working with here. So pretty decent sized room here. Pretty nice sized room. It works for us. Definitely works. Nice for rest and relaxation. And we're just coming out here to the balcony. Boom, boom, boom. Rest and relaxation. And here we go. We have a swimming pool. Beautiful. Look at there. We got ocean view right over there, which is very nice, very beautiful. So we don't have an ocean view room. We actually have a swim up room. But look over there. We got ocean right over there. So I'm going to just slow down and let you see the space. Bam. Just going all around. Check it out. Beauty. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Highly recommend. Back home, it's about, 30 degrees here. I think the high was like 86. Right now in the shade is very nice. It's not too hot. It's actually very warm. It's warm. It's like a comfortable warm. Go for a dip in the pool and you got something going. So even without the pool, it's very nice. So enjoy, love it, and till next time. This is sweet. They yeah, so they gave us a baby moon special treat here, cannoli, and then the cheesecake in the middle. All with nice flowers too on the side. So we got flowers, cheesecake, and the cannoli, and happy baby moon. Happy, happy, happy.
Happy, happy, happy.
Happy, happy, happy. For all the Milas in the room, excuse me.
One for Mila and one for number 2.
Happy, happy, happy.
Happy, happy, happy.
Happy baby moon. Whale. Look here, folks, it's a whale. There are whales out there.
Listen, bucket list items are being checked off right now. I've not even talked to this camera since we've been here, but there are whales.
Whale. Look here, folks, it's a whale. There are whales out there.
Do you see that little divot in the water? That's a whale.
Yeah. Whales are out there.
We've seen 2 already. Oh my God. And whale season is over. They're not even supposed to. Oh, you see? They're not even supposed to be here right now.
They're here for us.
Yay. Celebrating the baby. Happy, happy, happy. Neebus, I wish you were here to see this in person.
Oh, there he is.
The whales. They came out to bid us farewell. It's our last day here, our last full day. They came to say goodbye.
Yeah, I've got it. Hey.
Bueno, before everything, I would like to say thank you so much for your visit.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for
Beautiful.
making the decision to spend your evening with us.
It's beautiful.
Gracias. And pues, something special that I want to tell you. I wish you the best of the best in your new future.
Thank you.
It's beautiful to stay together with the correct person. Really.
Yeah.
If you really have a lot of love, you will do everything, okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Gracias, señores.
Gotcha. Muchas gracias.
Un placer, caballero. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Thank you. That's beautiful. It's okay. Thank you. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh, this is wonderful. Wow. I love it.
His words are really sweet.
Yeah, that was beautiful. I love him as a host. He was great.
Yeah, I told him.
Well, here's the baby number 2.
Here's to baby number 2.
Baby number 2.
We love you already.
Baby number 2.
Can't wait to meet you.
Yeah, we can't wait to meet you, baby number 2.
You'll love her.
Yeah, your
You
older
may wanna
sister,
fight with her.
Milana, your older sister. There you go. Congratulations.
We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Welcome.
Mwah. Immediately say.
Mwah.
Ah.
Mwah.
We love you, baby.
We love you. See you soon. I love it.
Me too.
I don't know if you see down there, the rocks are lit up.
Oh, no, I don't. I can't see that from here. Will you capture that from your end? Because I can't see that.
Just hand it off smooth to me. There we go. All right. You got me on it. You and a nice little fire here, and then you can get me.
My date. My forever date.
Yeah, in Cabo for now.
Any last words?
Love the date. Love the time in Cabo. I'll miss being here. Leave tomorrow afternoon. But it's been a great time getting some time out with my wife, favorite person in the world. Sad to go back, but happy to go back. See our little daughter Mila.
Yeah, I miss her.
See how she's going. And, yeah, till next time. Oh yeah, I love you.
I love you too. Last day in Cabo, last morning. We're having breakfast. There's Mr. Lawrence right there. He's approaching because horses. Yesterday we saw whales, and now there's horses. Oh, look! Oh my goodness! See, I should be riding a horse in the sea. My husband has forbidden me. Oh, beautiful.